What if I told you that everything you have been taught about trading is incomplete? That the missing piece to consistent profitability has been hiding in plain sight, not in your charts, not in your indicators, but in your mind. For over 2 decades, one book has been the secret weapon of professional traders worldwide: Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone. Today we are not just discussing concepts. We are embarking on a complete transformation of your trading psychology. Welcome to the Unbreakable Trader Mindset, your definitive guide to mastering the mental game of trading. Chapter 1: The Psychology Crisis in Trading. Why 95% of traders fail, and it is not what you think. Let us start with the hard truth: the trading industry has been selling you a dream while ignoring the reality. The reality is this: most traders actually have decent strategies. They understand technical analysis. They can identify setups. So why do they still fail? The answer lies in 3 psychological traps that ensnare nearly every trader. Trap number 1: the Holy Grail addiction. The endless search for the perfect system. How this prevents you from developing consistency. The cycle of hope and disappointment. Trap number 2: the emotional roller coaster. How wins make you reckless. How losses make you fearful. The destructive pattern of revenge trading. Trap number 3: the identity crisis. Confusing self-worth with trading performance. The danger of tying your identity to your P&L. How this creates unbearable psychological pressure. But here is the good news: understanding these traps is your first step toward escaping them. Chapter 2: Foundations of the Unbreakable Mindset. Rewiring your brain for trading success. Building an unbreakable mindset begins with understanding how your brain works against you in trading environments. Our brains were not designed for the probabilistic nature of markets. We are wired for certainty, for clear cause and effect relationships. But trading does not work that way. This chapter reveals the 4 mental shifts required to rebuild your trading psychology from the ground up. Shift number 1: from certainty to probability thinking. Why your brain craves certainty. How to embrace uncertainty as your advantage. Practical exercises to develop probabilistic thinking. Shift number 2: from outcome to process focus. The neuroscience behind outcome addiction. How to derive satisfaction from execution, not results. Building your personal trading process blueprint. Shift number 3: from prediction to reaction mastery. Why predicting markets is impossible. How reaction speed and discipline create edges. Developing your contingency planning system. Shift number 4: from emotional to analytical response. Understanding the emotional brain's role in trading. Techniques to create space between stimulus and response. Building your emotional resilience toolkit. These shifts are not just theoretical, they are practical mental muscles we will develop together. Chapter 3: The 5 Fundamental Truths Deep Dive. Your new trading constitution. Now we arrive at the heart of Mark Douglas's work: the 5 fundamental truths that form the foundation of professional trading psychology. These are not just concepts to understand, they are truths to embody at the deepest level of your being. Truth number 1: anything can happen. Real market examples of impossible moves. How to trade without expectations. The freedom of accepting market uncertainty. Practical exercise: the No Expectations Trading Journal. Truth number 2: you do not need to know what happens next to make money. Case study: how professionals profit in uncertain markets. The power of reaction plans over predictions. Building your if-then decision tree. Workshop: creating your market scenario playbook. Truth number 3: wins and losses are distributed randomly. Statistical analysis of trading outcomes. How to detach from outcome patterns. The mathematics of edge and sample size. Exercise analyzing your own trading randomness. Truth number 4. An edge is nothing more than a higher probability of success. Deconstructing what an edge really means. How to identify and quantify your actual edge. The relationship between edge and money management. Workshop, calculating and trusting your statistical advantage. Truth number 5. Every moment in the market is unique. Why market patterns deceive. How to avoid pattern addiction. The skill of reading current market conditions. Practical method to developing moment-to-moment market awareness. Master these truths and you master the mental foundation of professional trading. Chapter 4. Building Your Mindset Toolkit. Daily Practices for Unbreakable Psychology. Knowledge without implementation is worthless. In this chapter, you will receive the exact tools and practices used by consistently profitable traders. These are not theoretical concepts, they are practical exercises you can implement starting today. Tool number 1, the pre-market mental rehearsal. The 5-minute routine to program your mind. Visualization techniques for optimal state. Creating your personal pre-market checklist. Tool number 2, the trading journal. Moving beyond basic trade logging. The psychological pattern tracking system. How to review your journal for mindset breakthroughs. Tool number 3, the emotional reset protocol. Recognizing emotional triggers in real time. The 60-second reset technique. Building your emotional recovery system. Tool number 4, the probability mindset trainer. Daily exercises to strengthen probabilistic thinking. The casino owner mental model. Developing detachment from individual outcomes. Tool number 5, the process evaluation system. How to measure what really matters. The execution scorecard method. Weekly review process for continuous improvement. These tools, practiced consistently, will transform your trading psychology within weeks. Chapter 5, Advanced Mindset Techniques. Going beyond the basics. For those ready to take their mindset to the professional level, this chapter reveals advanced techniques used by elite traders. Technique number 1, paradoxical intention. How wanting to lose small can help you win big. The psychology of embracing small losses. Case studies of this counterintuitive approach. Technique number 2, mindfulness in trading. Beyond basic meditation. Developing moment-to-moment market awareness. The flow state and how to access it consistently. Technique number 3, identity shifting. How to become the casino rather than the gambler. The role of self-concept in trading performance. Practical identity transformation exercises. Technique number 4, pressure conditioning. How to perform under real market pressure. Simulation training methods. Building your pressure resilience. These advanced methods separate good traders from truly great ones. Chapter 6, Putting it all together. Your 30-day implementation plan. Now let us create your exact implementation plan. Transformation happens through consistent daily practice, not overnight. Here is your 30-day roadmap to building your unbreakable trader mindset. Week 1, Foundation Building. Daily focus on one fundamental truth. Implementation of basic mindset tools. Establishing your morning routine. Week 2, Pattern Awareness. Identifying your personal psychological patterns. Journaling Deep Dive. Emotional Trigger Mapping. Week 3, Skill Integration. Advanced Technique Implementation. Process Focus Development. Probability Mindset Strengthening. Week 4, Mastery Refinement. Full System Integration. Performance Under Pressure Training. Long-term mindset sustainability planning. Stick with this plan and in 30 days, you will have a fundamentally different relationship with the markets. Conclusion. The beginning of your transformation. We have covered immense ground together, from understanding why traders fail to mastering the 5 fundamental truths to implementing advanced mindset techniques. But remember this, building an unbreakable trader mindset is not a destination, it is a continuous journey. Every trading day is an opportunity to strengthen your mental muscles. Every challenge is a chance to practice your new skills. The markets will test you. They will push you to your limits. But with the foundation we have built today, you now have the tools not just to survive these tests but to thrive through them. You have the blueprint. You have the tools. Now the real work begins. Next steps on your journey. If you are serious about transforming your trading psychology, I want to help you go even deeper. I have created a free Unbreakable Mindset Starter Kit that includes the complete mindset assessment tool, daily practice worksheets, the trading psychology journal template, and much more. If you found value in this masterclass, please like this video and subscribe to Trading Psychology Pro for weekly mindset strategies. But most importantly, I want to hear from you. Which of the 5 fundamental truths resonated most deeply? What is your biggest mindset challenge? Share in the comments below. I read every single one and often feature trader transformations in future videos. Until next time, remember, the market reflects your mind. Master your mind and you master the market. Trade disciplined, my friends.